Hello and welcome to the second video of the advanced course, this time about shortcuts. So the first question to raise is, are shortcuts important? Here are two funny memes about shortcuts and also a next meme. And I would answer the question, are shortcuts important, with yes and no. In principle, you don't need them for your daily operations. You could also make everything with the mouse. But they can make work more efficient. For example, in investment banking, they sometimes steal the mouse from their analyst to force them to learn Excel without mouse. So just give it a try. I would recommend to use shortcuts for training, but not overdo it. So some people say, "Oh, what is a shortcut for this? What is a shortcut for this?" And then often these are people that don't know all the important formulas or so on. So first learn the basic stuff. No formulas, no shortcuts, or learn shortcuts along the way, but don't over-engineer with shortcuts. That are my 5 cents on this topic. So the most important shortcuts we covered here in the basic course. So this is only a second showing of this slide. So cut, copy, paste values and text only, undo, restore, undo, and insert the dollar sign. You know those shortcuts so far. And there are also a lot of other important shortcuts. If you want to select everything on your worksheet, you need to press Ctrl A. Save your work sheet is Ctrl S. Search is Ctrl F. Search and replace is Ctrl H. If you want to select an entire column, click Ctrl space, and for entire rows, click Shift space. If you want to go to the cell A1, so like the leftmost upper cell, click Ctrl Home. Go to the last cell used, click Ctrl End. Go to the last cell in the column, Ctrl arrow down. First cell of the column, Ctrl arrow up. First cell of the row, Ctrl arrow left. The last cell of the row, Ctrl arrow right. If you want to fill everything below or mark everything filled in below, Ctrl Shift arrow down, and also for above, left and right, also with Ctrl and Shift. If you want to insert a new worksheet, click Ctrl Function F11. If you want to activate or deactivate filters, click Ctrl Shift L. For the number format with 1000 delimiter and 1000 point and delimiter, and two commas after decimal points after the comma or the point, click Ctrl expression sign. For currency with 2 decimal places, click Ctrl dollar sign. For percentages without decimal place, click Ctrl percentage sign. And for opening the formatting menu, click Ctrl 1. Also, a few cool shortcuts I use very often is like to insert the current date, it's Control Shift, not Shift, comma, and to insert the current time is Control Shift point. To insert the sum formula, it's Control and equal sign, and to open the insert menu, it's Control Alt V. And there are many other shortcuts, and take a look at these shortcuts, click Alt. And then you can control quite a lot. You could do either with your mouse or with the shortcuts. For example, to make a colored cell colorless. Again, the shortcut is Alt HHN. So let's take a look in Excel. So for example, if you want to go here to the last cell, click Control arrow down. And here you can go here with your, and to, for example, highlight everything up until cell A1, click Ctrl Shift, arrow up, and now Control Shift arrow left, and you have everything selected there. Then if you want to format this, for example, click Alt, and you see there appears a lot of letters here. If you want to go do something on the Home ribbon, click H. And here, if you want to format this, for example, click N. And then here, make this everything a short date, for example. Then everything will be a short date. Or for example, if this cell is highlighted and you want to unhighlight it, click Alt H H N, and there isn't a fill anymore. And you could also, if this, for example, is a formula, you can also drag this formula down. If you don't go here, but either click Ctrl C, go to the left, go down with Shift arrow down, go one to the right, click Ctrl Shift arrow up, and click Ctrl V, and here you have inputted the formula. There are a lot of other things to cover with shortcuts, but as I said, use them as you wish. Google them if you want to know the shortcut for this and for that. The assistant for many shortcuts is Alt. But these are everything I have to say about shortcuts. Thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next video.